It's the cellular kitchen and we just want to say we're serving up smiles in a cellular way. Hey! Hello everyone, I'm Chef Max.
I'm Chef Emily.
And I'm Chef Gina.
And welcome to the Cellular Kitchen. Today we will be focusing on cake. Now first.
Wait, hold on. Did you just say we're going to make a cake? What does cake have to do with cellular biology?
Yeah, shouldn't we be making something like mitochondria muffins or Golgi gummies?
Well, actually, cake has more to do with cellular biology than you might think.
How?
Well, think of it this way. The frosting on the cake is like the cellular membrane, and the cake is like the cytoskeleton.
Cytoskeleton? What's that?
The cytoskeleton is the part of a cell that keeps everything in place and keeps the shape of the cell.
Oh, I get it. So alone frosting has no shape. But if you put a cake underneath it...
The frosting will take the shape of the cake.
Exactly.
As cool as it would be to have cells made out of cake, I mean, it can't be that way in real life. What does a cytoskeleton actually look like?
Well, that's a difficult question because the cytoskeleton is made up of several different parts and all of them look really different. For example, this straw is like a microtubule. They are made of proteins and they're sturdy and hollow to keep the shape of the cell and allow things to travel through it.
Nice.
This is like a microfilament. They're made of the protein actin, and their job is to allow the cell to move.
Cool!
This is the intermediate filament. It's a flimsy protein, and their job is to keep the structure of the cell and to make sure everything keeps in its place. We will be using all of these in our cake today.
Wow, I guess cake really does have to do with biology when you put it that way.
It does. But if you don't have any more questions, we could start to make the cake. Let's
bake!
You got the sugar?
Yeah, here's the flour.
This is the cytoskeleton cake.
Wow, that's the best darn cytoskeleton cake I've ever seen. It even has microfilaments.
And I'll bet it tastes great too.
Well, that's all the time we have for today on the Cellular Kitchen.
It's the Cellular
Kitchen, and we just want to say we're serving up smiles in a cellular way. Hey!